Hey guys, what's up? It's SavagSheepIT here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a hidden staircase. This could be useful if you want to go down to your secret lair or whatever. Now, this version has a button up here, but the tutorial is not going to show you how to add that. So, let's get started. To build this, you will need 7 blocks of any type, 1 repeater, 1 redstone torch, 1 redstone block, 1 slab of any type, 6 stairs, because, staircase, 8 sticky pistons, 10 pieces of redstone dust, 1 regular piston, 6 observers, and I would recommend some blocks to make, a wall. To get started, we're going to need to place our pistons. We're going to place just 4 pistons going like this, and then you're also going to want pistons running like this. So your piston should look like this. Now this is going to be for everything. So next you want sticky or regular piston here. That will be quite useful, as that means that when you power it, it won't mess with it. So now you're going to want to run some bricks across the top like this and put a block here. On this block, you're going to want to place a redstone torch with a slab next to it. On the slab, you want a repeater, and then here, you want redstone dust. Now that should make all of these go out. Next, we're going to take care of the actual stairs. You're going to want a repeater, or an observer, here, and blocks going on top of these like this. Next, you just want to run redstone up that. And now, I'd recommend just placing your stairs down here. And then, so make your stairs go up, and so next, you are going to want blocks on here, and then above here, you should place a redstone block there, with another sticky piston facing towards it like that. And underneath it, you should have observers facing like this, face there. Now you're gonna run your redstone connecting it, and that should open like that. So right now you actually want your redstone block there, and now you need a lever. Now what happens when you flip the lever? It goes, and your wall retracts, and when you flip it. But right now you need more stairs going like this. I did forget to mention this when I told you what you'd need, but so then you need to run some stairs next to it, and then you have a wall. Now this is where those extra bricks come in. I would place them to make, a wall. Obviously, this would be your base. You would probably already have a wall, but this is the tutorial. So now when you flip the lever, the wall opens, and the stairs pop out. So and it's pretty simple, and this does have to be a lever unless you run it into a block. So you flip the lever, and it goes away. Now, the only issue with this one is this stair is there still. That one will be staying there. But you don't really notice that. And especially if you build it into this, style of the build like that, you're not going to notice that one. So that's how to build it. Bye!